Welcome back. Today we're checking out the best ice makers in 2026 that you can buy right now. From fast countertop ice machines to premium Nugget ice makers, these devices are perfect for home, parties, RV trips, and everyday cold drinks without waiting for freezer trays. Let's jump into the best options. Starting at number 1. Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker. The Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker is a convenient countertop appliance designed to produce soft, chewable pebble-style nugget ice quickly and efficiently. It can generate up to 35 pounds of ice per 24 hours, making it ideal for home use, parties, kitchens, RV trips, and small gatherings. Featuring a built-in self-cleaning pump, it helps maintain hygiene and reduces maintenance effort for long-term use. The machine produces crushed, pellet-style ice that is perfect for drinks, cocktails, smoothies, and chilled beverages. With its stainless steel construction, it offers a durable and modern design that fits well in any kitchen space. It also includes 8 packs of cleaner and dual ice scoops for added convenience, making it a practical and user-friendly solution for continuous fresh ice supply. Number 2. Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker. The Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker countertop is a fast and efficient appliance designed to produce soft, chewable pebble-style ice for everyday use. It can generate up to 35 pounds of ice per 24 hours and produces the first batch in as little as 7 minutes, making it ideal for quick refreshments at home, parties, offices, or RV trips. This machine creates popular, sonic ice, perfect for drinks like soda, cocktails, smoothies, and iced coffee. It features a convenient self-cleaning function that helps maintain cleanliness and reduces maintenance effort. Built with a stainless steel finish, it offers a modern and durable design that fits well in any kitchen space. With an included ice scoop and basket, the Euhomy Nugget Ice Maker provides a practical and user-friendly solution for continuous fresh ice production. Number 3. GoveeLife Smart Nugget Ice Maker. The GoveeLife Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro is an advanced countertop ice machine designed to deliver soft, chewable nugget ice quickly and quietly. It produces up to 60 pounds of ice per day and can generate the first batch in just 6 minutes, making it highly efficient for home kitchens, parties, and gatherings. With ultra-quiet 40 dB operation and AI noise guard technology, it ensures minimal disturbance while running. The machine features smart app and voice control for easy operation, along with a self-cleaning function for simple maintenance. Its dual water tank system and 3.5 pounds ice basket provide greater convenience and longer continuous use. Combining smart technology, high capacity, and modern design, this ice maker is a premium choice for anyone who wants fast, fresh nugget ice at home. Number 4. Silonn Nugget Ice Maker. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker countertop is a convenient and efficient appliance designed to produce soft, chewable nugget ice for everyday use. It features an automatic drop and self-dispensing system, making it easy to access fresh ice without hassle. Capable of producing up to 40 pounds of ice per 24 hours, it is ideal for home kitchens, parties, and small gatherings. The machine creates popular pellet-style ice that is perfect for beverages like soda, cocktails, iced coffee, and smoothies. It also includes a self-cleaning function, helping to maintain hygiene and reduce maintenance effort. With its compact countertop design, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker offers a practical and user-friendly solution for enjoying fresh, restaurant-style ice anytime. Number 5. Kotlin Drainless Ice Maker. The Kotlin Drainless Ice Maker is a compact and efficient under-counter appliance designed for convenient home or kitchen use. With a 15-inch width and a built-in 22-pound storage bin, it provides a steady supply of crescent-shaped ice while eliminating the need for a drain connection, making installation much easier. This freestanding, cabinet-ready design fits neatly under counters, saving space while delivering consistent performance. It produces high-quality crescent ice that melts slowly, making it ideal for drinks, cocktails, and everyday cooling needs. ETL certification ensures safety and reliability, while its 2026 upgraded design improves efficiency and durability. Overall, the Kotlin Ice Maker is a practical and modern solution for users who want a hassle-free, built-in ice-making system at home. That's it for today's video. All product links are available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home appliance buying guides and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.